Somalia, a nation known for its strength, heritage, and untapped beauty. Today, we count down the top 5 cities in Somalia, from number 5 to number 1. Each city on this list holds a unique place in Somalia's story, geographically, economically, and culturally. Let's begin our journey across the Horn of Beauty. Coming in at number 5 is Baidoa, often called the City of Trees. Located in the Bay region of southwestern Somalia, Baidoa is known for its fertile land, greenery, and agricultural economy. As the capital of Southwest State, Baidoa plays a major role in Somalia's food supply, especially in farming grains and vegetables. It's also a center for Islamic learning and local governance. Despite facing droughts and instability, the city continues to grow through aid, development, and the resilience of its people. At number 4 is Kismayo, a key city in southern Somalia and the capital of the Jubaland state. Located at the mouth of the Juba River, Kismayo is blessed with rich natural resources, forests, fertile soil, and a vibrant fishing industry. Its strategic port has made it an important center for trade throughout history. Today, the port supports import and export activities for both local industries and humanitarian aid. Kismayo is also home to diverse communities and has seen a significant improvement in stability over the past decade. Number 3 is Bosaso, a thriving commercial hub in northeastern Somalia. As the economic capital of Puntland, Bosaso sits along the Gulf of Aden, connecting Somalia to Yemen, Oman, and beyond. Its modern seaport is a lifeline for livestock exports, fuel imports, and trade routes. Bosaso has grown rapidly in recent years, with improved infrastructure, booming business districts, and a large migrant workforce. It's also a key departure point for the Somali diaspora heading abroad, and a symbol of economic resilience. At number 2, we visit Hargeisa, the capital of the self-declared Somaliland region. Known for its relative peace and strong civic identity, Hargeisa is a center of Somali culture, art, and education. Home to over 1 million people, the city is famous for its camel markets, some of the largest in Africa, and the Loskeel cave paintings, which offer a glimpse into Somalia's prehistoric past. With a booming telecom sector, thriving universities, and widespread internet access, Hargeisa is a shining example of Somali innovation and local governance. And at number 1, we have Mogadishu, the capital, the largest city, and the historical heartbeat of Somalia. Overlooking the Indian Ocean, Mogadishu has been a trading port for over 1,000 years, connecting Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. Today, it's a city of contrast, ancient architecture meets modern high-rises, hardship meets hope. It's a hub for politics, culture, education, and resilience. From its beautiful beaches to its rebuilding neighborhoods, Mogadishu continues to rise as a symbol of Somali pride and perseverance. These are Somalia's top 5 cities, each with a powerful story to tell. Which city surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories from the Horn of Africa.